everything that I do. A competitor that refuses to lose. But anything you ever need, I ain't gotta be coerced. I want us all to get there, I just wanna be first. I wanna be the best, I wanna be important. I don't wanna be LeBron, yo, I wanna be Jordan. I know that y'all feel the same damn way. The best never tolerate second place, which is why we thrive. The competition makes us feel alive.
And make some noise for our second skydiver.
Taking different blocks, and we'll all keep running tirelessly till the day that we're headlining Red Rocks. It's all good, and it's all love. It's all a game amongst brothers. It's some healthy competition with my friends. Healthy competition. It's healthy competition in the